So now we are going to draw the Bodier phase and magnitude plot for open loop system. It contains first order factor in the numerator. The structure of first order factor in the numerator. So let g of s equal to 1 plus st. So now according to the frequency domain specifications, so we have to replace s by j omega. Therefore we have to write or replace s by j omega. So it will be 1 plus j omega t. We have to find the magnitude angle for this transfer function. So magnitude is, we know, real part square 1 square plus imaginary part square. The angle is, here j is in the numerator side, therefore plus tan inverse of real part omega t divided by imaginary part. So now magnitude is 1 plus omega square t square, angle is tan inverse of omega t. So actually, so now from this magnitude and phase, so we have to consider at low frequency. At low frequency, omega square will be very less. Therefore, we can consider its magnitude 20 log square root of 1, because 1 is very much greater than omega square t square at low frequency. 20 log. So its value is 0. At high frequency, 20 log. So at high frequency, now omega square t square is very greater than 1. Therefore we can say square root of omega square t square equal to 20 log omega t. So this is the gain in terms of high frequency. Now for omega, we are going to consider 1 by t. Therefore gain A equal to 20 log square root of t square divided by 1 plus t square equal to 0. So when omega equal to 10 by t, A equal to 20 log square root of t square into 10 divided by, otherwise we can say t into omega equal to t into 10 divided by t equal to plus 20 decibel. So now when omega equal to 1 by t, magnitude is 0. So when omega equal to 10 by t, magnitude equal to plus 20 decibel, if this is 0 line. So now we can consider for x-axis omega equal to 1 by t. So here omega equal to 10 by t. So common x-axis is logarithmic of omega. So it is, we can say it is this phase is for, it consists of two graphs on the same x-axis. So now this in the bottom portion we can draw the phase plot, in the top portion we can draw the magnitude plot. So now we can draw the magnitude plot at 1 by t. At 1 by t, its magnitude is 0. Therefore it is 0 decibel. 0 decibel. So when omega equal to 10 by t, it is plus 20. So this is plus 20, we can consider this is minus 20. Therefore at this point plus 20, it will move to plus 20. So now its slope, we know slope is final point minus initial point. So final point is plus 20 minus 0 equal to plus 20 decibel. So now slope is plus 20 decibel. So actually we see from this plot, at omega equal to 1 by t, this is one asymptote, this is another asymptote. Two asymptotes are meeting at this point. So when two asymptotes are meeting at this particular frequency is called the corner frequency. So this is approximate plot only. So now, so to get the exact plot, so we have to substitute the corner frequency omega equal to 1 by t into actual equation. The actual magnitude equation is, this is the actual magnitude in terms of decibel, 20 log square root of 1 plus omega square t square. Therefore we have to substitute 20 log 1 plus, so now omega equal to 1 by t square. So you will get 20 log square root of t, it is nothing but plus 3 decibel. So now If it is plus 20 decibel means at this point plus 3 decibel. So at corner frequency, so this will be the actual plot. So this is approximate plot. So this is the exact plot. So now to draw the phase plot, what we have to do? So actually, so we have to consider the omega equal to 0, then omega equal to 1 by t, then omega equal to infinity. Three angles we have to consider. So now when omega, so we can write here, when omega equal to 0, so now we have to substitute into this angle. So theta will be, if it is omega equal to 0, tan inverse of 0 equal to 0. So if it is omega equal to 1 by t, omega equal to 1 by t, if we substitute, we will get tan inverse of 1 by 1. So tan inverse of 1 by 1 is 45 degree. So if it is omega equal to infinity, so if we substitute omega equal to infinity here, so tan inverse of infinity equal to plus 90. If it is when omega equal to 0, the angle is 0 degree. When omega equal to 1 by t, the angle is 45 degree. So now we can draw, so 0, this is, we can consider this is 0 degree, then this is plus 45 degree, this is plus 90 degree. So now omega equal to 0, so angle is 0. When omega equal to 1 by t, angle is 45 degree. So this is 45 degree, this is 90 degree. So it will start 0 and it will reach 45 degree when omega equal to 1 by 2. So when omega equal to infinity, at infinity only it will reach the angle 90. It means it will continue until infinity to reach it 90. So this is the phase plot, this is the magnitude plot for the open loop system which consists of first order factor in the numerator. Suppose if it contains 1 plus st power n or m. So it is, the power is n means, so here we have to multiply with n into 20 decibel. So here also 90 into n, here also 45 into n. Suppose here 2 means plus 40 decibel, here 180, here 90. Suppose 3 means here 45 into 3, 90 into 3, here plus 20 into 3. So that's all about the structure of Bodier phase and magnitude plot for open loop system which consists of first order factor in the numerator.